Which hand? You play the which hand part.
I
So
am.
she could touch the.
Alright, wait. Ready? Sit. Which one?
You couldn't see her tap her
I
hand
know,
because Max was in the way.
Okay, you can do it.
Get the
again.
good
Hold on.
girl and boy.
I'll try to turn. Ugh. Ready?
Oh!
See that? You see that?
Yeah. That's a good diva. And Max, was it good? Was it good? Stop trying to see what he got in his mouth. You greedy.
That's it. No more.
And she's saying some.
Mm-hmm. No more. Okay. Cha-cha. Go look at the window. Hey, excuse me.
Max.
I don't want to hear Ray Charles.
Max.
I don't want to hear that Ray Charles.
Max.
I said, go look at the window. Cousin call you. Say, hey,
Get him to give you the paw.
Wait. What's your name? Sit. Okay. Listen. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Okay, very good. Yeah. Yeah, that's my.
What's your name? Sis, what's your name? What's your name? Sis, what's your name? What's your name, sis?
He's me. Okay.
Sis. Ask her, because she's not answering me.
What's your name? Are you listening? Okay, not you. What's your name? Sit. Calm down. What's your name? Come on. Look. What's your name? Come on. You can do it. What's your name? She's so tired. All right. Right paw. Very good. Hey, this movie.
Get Max to do it.
Wait, I gotta back him up. Back up. Okay.
Ooh.
Have a seat. Wait, I know you want to give me a left paw. Max. Look. Right paw. Look. Right paw. Why you keep on using that paw? Give me your right paw. Right. Okay, thank you, Dee Dee. Thank you, Dee Dee. Dee Dee get a treat. Cause she, all right, back up, please. All right, watch it. Have a seat. You ready? You ready? No? You ready? Yes? You ready? Yes?
Like, what are you about to do?
Yes? You ready? No.
She's scratching too much. She ain't.
Now, can I have your right paw? Can I give you your right paw? Stand. Now. Can I tell you something? See the ears go down?
Mm-hmm.
Can I tell you a secret? Come here. Can I tell you a secret? Yes. Hold on. I didn't tell you the secret. Alright. Now. You want to show Desi your tail? Huh? Where's your tail? Oh, you got scratch. Give me a tail. Can I have a tail?
You put her butter nail.
Can I have your tail? I know, this is scratching time. Didn't I ask you to scratch? Oh. Let me see eyes.
Play the go in your cage part.
Oh, here we go. Okay.
You're not listening.
1. Here we go. 2. Go in the cage. Go ahead. Get in the cage. You too. Listen, miss. Go in the cage. You're not listening.
She's looking at you like, what?
She got scratched now.
She's like, why we gotta go in the cage for? We didn't do nothing.
You're not listening. You're making me mad now. In the cage. You too. Very good. I didn't say sit there. I said get in the cage. You said I didn't do nothing. No, you didn't do nothing. I just want to see if you know what the cage is. Your bachelor pad. You know, I didn't say, no, you're not punished. I just want you in the cage.
Come on. Come on. And moving their head at the same time. Come on. She's like, okay, now you're confusing me.
All right. Thank you. Now, come and get your treat.
You see them tilting their head.
You ready? Come on. Come on, Dee. That was very good.
What's that? What's that?
Zoom. That was
What's
very
that?
good.
Record me taking it from her.
Oh.
Can I have it? Can I have it? Hey, look. Can I give it to Max? Why not? Can Jeannie have it? Can I have it? You want it? I'm gonna give it to Max. Can I give it to Max? And she turned her head like, no, I'm mad. You want it? Why I can't have it? But Max doesn't. Okay, here you go. Psych.
Here, Max.
It's mine, Max. Max. You want it? Can I give it to her? No? Can I have it? No? Whose is it? Is it yours? Why should you have it? Why can't I have it?
You want it?